Hey guys, Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I just decided to do another Strathfield vlog. This is Strathfield Part 6. If anyone's requested it, your name will be written down for Part 7. Lately I haven't been writing down too many requests because I've been mainly focused on Newcastle and its closure and things like that, and filming the final part, which I've already done. But now Dunmore Shell Harbour's closing, and yeah, I've got to figure out all the stuff with that. So yeah, that's just the reason for requests being a bit slow. But anyway, I've started this vlog at a okay time. The next train to arrive on platform 3 here is the Armidale and Moree Explorer. There's a Waratah on platform 5 at the moment. I can't see the set number. A31. So I was just trying to duck to try and look at the car numbers. And across on platform 8 we have A23, which is about to depart. The Tangara has just arrived on platform number 6. There's a V-set approaching platform number 2. It's 8 cars. You'll see it in a second. There's nothing on the destos of that Waratah, so I'm not too sure where it's going. V29 is the front 4 cars of this V-set. V29 has the 2 newest V-set cars, DKM 8145 and DKT 9191, which is the front 2 cars. The rear 4 cars V39. Armidale Moree Explorer now arriving into platform number 3. I so hope I can get this Explorer departing, because it is now being blocked out by A20. A20 is a central service. Should be right. Should be able to get it from the end of the platform. There's another city service, A15, arriving into platform number 4. Oops, camera got a bit out of whack then. That's what happens when you film and look behind you at the same time. Armidale Moree Explorer now departing platform number 3. These trains, this train will actually divide at Werris Creek. One half going to Armidale, the other half going to Moree. Wouldn't really call them half. Oh yeah, right. 3 cars at the front, 3 cars at the back. I usually see, for example, 3 cars at the front and 2 cars at the back. And as usual, a Waratah steals the show. A27 has just departed platform number 8. Not too sure where it's going just yet, but I should be able to tell you just as long as it says its destination on the desto. Glenfield service. Over on platform number 6 we have a Tangara, front 4 cars being T71 now departing. T71 has a replacement carriage. D6288 is replacing D6108, which is kind of odd in my opinion, because D6108 hasn't been scrapped, it hasn't been written off, it's actually on a Mortdale Tangara. So I'm not too sure what the story is there, but yeah, who knows. Alright, on the rear 4 cars, T75 T75 actually used to be a spare set, like a spare Tangara. It used to be sitting at main train looking like crap. Like it just looks like it exploded or something like that. Completely stripped. And we've got V30 being the front four cars, now passing platform 3. And the rear four cars, V25. On that note, guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and favourite the video. Thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you in the next vlog. Goodbye for now.